Uneven floor height caused by subfloor issues can totally mess with your home's vibe and even trip you up if you're not careful. So, when you spot uneven floors, the first thing to do is check for any water damage or rot under the floorboards, because moisture can make the subfloor warp or sag. If you're dealing with small bumps or dips, a self-leveling compound can fix those without tearing everything up, but for bigger problems, you might need to replace damaged sections of the subfloor. Also, don't forget to check if the floor joists underneath are still solid. Sometimes those get weak or twisted, which causes uneven floors. Using a long level or straight edge across the floor can help you find exactly where the dips and highs are hiding. If you're planning on laying new flooring, fixing the subfloor first will save you headaches later because most floor materials won't look right if they're put on a wonky base. And hey, don't rush this. It takes time for leveling compounds to dry completely before installing new flooring. Lastly, if you're not super handy, it's cool to call in a pro to make sure everything's done right without wasting cash on fixes that don't last. One of the biggest mistakes with uneven floors from subfloor issues is ignoring moisture problems. If you don't fix leaks or dampness first, any repair will just fail again. Another common issue is skipping proper leveling before installing new flooring, which leads to cracks and squeaks fast. Always prep that base well. Third, many folks overlook checking the floor joists for damage or weakness, and that can cause even perfectly fixed subfloors to go back out of whack. To fix these, start by dealing with any water damage thoroughly using drying and waterproofing methods, then use a quality leveling compound or replace bad subfloor parts before doing anything else. Finally, inspect and reinforce joists if needed. Adding sister joists or braces can make a huge difference. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and won't charge an arm and a leg. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work by connecting directly with people who need their skills without all the hassle.